Hi guys, here welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this app, and also I'm going to be teaching you how this app works and how you can able to go about it. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advice, and this video is not a financial advice. Always make sure you do your own research before downloading any online app mentioned on this video. Guys, make sure you pay attention to this video. This app is an live streaming and also a video calling app, okay, where you can live streaming receive gifts from the users. Okay, note, let me just say this before I continue this video, because you might not watch this video from the beginning to the end. Let me just say this before I start to tell you how this app work and how you can able to do live stream. Note, this place is not a tax app. Okay, it is not a place where you can sit for 1 hour or 2 hours and receive reward. Okay, but let me show you where you can actually earn on this particular app. Okay, I'm going to first of all sign up on this platform. Okay, because someone actually sent me this app and tell me, Faith, please review this app for me. Okay, and I'm gonna be reviewing this app publicly. You can see I'm going to go ahead and sign up on this application. Okay, the name of this application is Nozy. You can see it here on the live. You can go to Play Store, it's available. You don't need VPN to download this app. Okay, as you can see, watch live streaming, add clips and share your moments and many more. Okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead and sign up on this platform. Make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end if you want to live streaming and earn something on apps. Pay attention on this video. Okay, right now I'm going to sign up on. As you can see, I use my Google account to sign on this platform, and this is what they're going to tell me. It's going to bring me to this interface. They're going to ask me, what is your name? You need to put your name you want to answer on this platform. As you can see, minimum is 2 words. Okay, you can see what is your gender. Okay, you can see you must at least 18 years, not to use this app. You must be from 18 years and above. Okay, as you can see, select male or female. I need to go ahead and select female. Okay, if you are male, select it. But if you are male, going to this app only if you want to make friend. And ladies, you can make friends here, and also men can make friends here. It depends on what you want. Once you log in on this platform, this is how you are going to be seeing the interface of the app. You can see tap to start. This tap to start is an video calling where you can actually video calling and make friends. Okay, you can see what I tap on that start match. You can see different type of people appearing on the video call, both women and men. Okay, this place is where you can actually make friends if you want to make friends on the live streaming, because you're going to call both men and women. Okay, but if you want to choose the specific agenda you want to call, it's okay. As you can see, once you tap on this agenda, you can see that they have free. Like if you want to be chatting both gender, both male and female, you can go with free. You can see this C now. These coins were they here. Like this free now, you can see there is no coin. You can see women just 10 coins for you to be chatting with women. As you can see, I have 40 coins. Okay, as you can see, men only 10 coins. You can see only both. Like if you want to chat both gender, you can go free side. Okay, but if you're looking for a specific audience you want to chat with, maybe say you want to chat with the women, you can see that you need to spend 10 coins. Okay, 10 coins, not 10,000 or 10, no, just 10 coins. Okay, so and if you want to choose chat men, you can see that it is actually 10 coins you want to spend and use. I have 40 coin. Okay, you can see they give me 40 coin when I log in. It's already on my account. Now you need to go ahead and edit your profile picture. As you can see that me 26. You can see you need to put your current age. So your current age is going to appear, and I'm actually going to show you how you can actually withdraw on this app. Okay, because this is what you're going to be doing once you log in on this app. Either you chat with men or you chat with women. Okay, both gender. You can see that you can go live streaming here. You can see edit your profile, upload the profile picture on this app. This app is only meant for people that want to make friends. People that want to make friends all over the world. and you can still earn extra income on this platform. If you go on a video call, both women and men, you can actually receive coin on this app, which you can convert it to a cash and withdraw here. Okay, someone actually sent me this and told me, "Ah, Faith, to review this app. I want to work on this. How do you see it?" The truth is that I never withdraw here before, but I get some of my friends that is doing this app, and what they are doing is that they actually making friends and live streaming here just like that. Okay, this is what they do. Okay, so if you go live, you will receive gifts from users. Okay, if he does not receive gifts from users, you cannot be able to earn. If he does not go on video call with both women and men, you cannot be able to earn. Okay, that is the truth. It is not a tax app. Okay, you can see diamond. Diamond is the one you're going to be earning here, and diamond is the one you're going to cash out. Okay, you see, you need to upload a profile picture, make everything okay, and go live. Now, let me show you how you are going to see your withdrawal. Okay, once you end diamond, either from course or live streaming, this is how you are going to see it. You see, total duration, total spent duration. You can once you have diamond here, the withdraw option is going to appear on your account. But if it does not have any, as you can say, I don't have any diamond yet. Okay, if it does not have any diamond on your account, but if it does not have any diamond on your account, your withdraw option is going to appear. And once you have withdraw diamond on your account, your withdraw is going to appear on your account. This is how this plays. And by then, once you reach the minimum of the withdrawing, you can actually withdraw. Okay, you can see you can exchange, but I don't advise you to exchange any of your coin. Do not exchange your diamond. Always, once you earn, cash it out direct. Do not go ahead and be exchanging. Okay, this is my honest review about this app. Note that I haven't cashed out here, and this particular app is mostly for singles. Okay, it's actually mostly for the single ladies or single men that is looking for a way to um make friends all over the world. It's mostly making friends. The subscribers actually sent me this app, Faith, review this app for me. What do you have to say about this app? I downloaded this app. I don't know how it works. What am I going to do? And all of that. So to review this application, okay, I asked one or two people that is working on this app, and I get information from them. That is the reason why I'm reviewing this app. Okay, so any app I'm not sure of, I cannot be able to review it. And any app, I did not see any of my friends working on that app, people that is working on the any application. If I did not see any of my friends that will go in there working, I cannot be able to review that such application. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you guys on my next post. Bye.